Hello. What makes the IC40 suddenly lose its ability to generate chlorine when it reaches 10,000 hours? It seems that Pentair has a chip programmed to shut the system off at 10,000 hours. I'm looking for a way to reset that chip if possible, maybe a new control board.
I have no idea. I mean, as far as electronics are concerned, you probably have to talk to someone who knows boards and the like a lot better. My understanding is that's just an average lifespan of when it wears itself out, and that's when you're looking to, or you're going to need to replace it, but I have no definitive proof nor answer as to why that may be. I do know that some people who've had IC40s or IntelliChlors run longer than, say, 5 or 7 years, but it's not that often. I mean, we also live in the Midwest, so climates are seasonal. How long it takes to them to get to 10,000 hours, I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, sorry, from that technical standpoint, I don't have an answer.